Hi, today we'll be learning how to find the missing percentage. So our first example is, what percent of 60 is 40? So what we have to first do is turn 60 and 40 into percentage. We switch these two numbers and we put them as fractions. So 40 over 60. Then we have to reduce, if we can. So 40 over 60 reduced would be 4/6, and we would reduce that to 2/3. Next, we have to divide these two numbers. We have to switch them up and then divide. So here, we're going to divide over here. So 3 divided by 2. So 3 cannot go into 2, so it's 0. Add the 0 here. 3 goes into 26 times. It's going to be 6 again. So in this example, it's going to keep going. So this is going to be a vinculum. So we don't take this and we just put a line over it. But in this case, it doesn't really matter if it's a vinculum. So let's just take this number to the side here. And then we move the decimal over 2 places. So 1, 2. We add a 0 in the missing gap, which is now 60. So that is our answer. Our answer is 60%. Our next example is, what percent of 70 is 20? So again, we take these two numbers and switch them up. So 20 over 70. 20 over 70 can be reduced by 10. So that would be equal to 2 over 7. And now we switch these two numbers and we divide. 7 divided by 2. So in this case, we cannot divide 7 into 2. So we put a 0, add the decimal, put a 0 here. We take this, 2 minus 14 is 6. Carry down the 0. The answer next is 8. Carry down the 0. 5. And it's going to be 50, which is going to be equal to, again, it's going to keep going on. So we just have to move the decimal over 2 times. And our answer is going to be approximately 28.5. Next example. So what percent of 20 is 30? So this is going to be different. So we have to switch these two numbers, as we know. So it's going to be 30 over 20. This is an improper fraction, so it's going to go a little differently. So 30 over 20 can be reduced to 3 over 2. And 2 divided, and then we have to switch these two numbers. Then 2 divided by 3. 2 can go into 3 one time. Sorry. Carry down 0. It cannot go into 1. Put the decimal. Carry down the 0. And we put in 5. Then we move the decimal over 2 times. 1, 2. And then, so this is going to be 150%, because it's asking what percent of 20 is 30. So 30 is greater than 20, so this is going to be our answer. And this is our next example. So what percent of 40 is 30? Again, we have to switch these. So 40. So it's going to be 30 over 40. And this will be reduced to 3/4. 3/4 divided, we have to switch these two numbers. 4 divided by 3. A 4 cannot go into 3, so we put down a 0. Add the 0 here. 7 minus 28 is 2. 4 cannot go into 2, so we add a 0. And 4 goes into 25 times, and we'll be left with 0. Then we move the decimal over 2 times, so now it is 75%. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.